Alright, so today we're going to be talking about how I lube my switches. First, the switches. These are Husky switches from Kinetic Labs. The lube we're going to be using is the Krytox 205G from Kinetic Labs as well. First, we're going to start with opening the switch. Now, I start with the bottom housing and get a small amount of lube on my brush. I work the sides of the bottom housing. Then from here, I hit the back wall and around the hole. It's optional. You can go inside the hole if you want. I don't. Now you also want to hit the leaf. Now be careful with this because if you are using a tactile switch, it's very easy to lose that tactile bump. Next is time for the spring. I get one end and I lube it with a pretty thick amount of lube on my brush. Make sure to swirl it in and out. Then I put it onto the bottom housing. Then I hold the bottom housing and the spring at the same time and do the other side. Next is the stem. I get a small amount once again and I hit all four sides including the legs. Once again, be careful with this because if it is a tactile switch, then you can lose that tactile bump, so just be careful. Make sure it's just a sheen on everything you do. You don't want some big clump of lube everywhere. It just makes everything bad. Then you put everything back together. Now you only gotta do 80 more times.